Welcome to this hypnosis meditation, part of the SIBO Relief and Healing series. Before listening, please remember never to listen to hypnosis meditations while driving or when your attention is required. Find a comfortable position and take a deep breath in. Hold the breath for a count of 3. And now slowly exhale. That's right. Releasing the breath and relaxing into your body. And again, breathe in deeply. Hold and exhale slowly, feeling yourself becoming more relaxed. And one more time, breathe in deeply, hold and exhale. Releasing all of the tension from your body. Feeling yourself sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. And feeling all of the muscles in your body gently and gradually loosening. Starting with the smallest muscles in your toes and slowly working their way up. Feel the sensation of relaxation spreading through your feet, up into your ankles, and continuing to flow through your calves and knees. As this wave of relaxation moves upward, feel your thighs releasing any tension. Your hips becoming more comfortable and your lower back unwinding. Notice how your abdomen softens. Your chest and shoulders drop and relax. And your arms becoming comfortably heavy and relaxed. That's right. And you can just allow that relaxation to now flow through your neck, up into your jaw, and all the way to the top of your head, until every muscle in your body is completely loose and relaxed. And every breath deepens this relaxation, bringing you a deeper sense of stillness and inner calm. And to deepen this healing and relaxed state of being even more, I want you to imagine that you are standing at the top of a gentle staircase with 10 steps leading down. And as I count down from 10 to 1, take each step down and feel your relaxation deepen, drifting down deeper. And so 10, stepping down, feeling more relaxed. 9, deeper and deeper. 8, with each step feeling calmer. 7. Letting go completely. 6. Deeper still. 5. Halfway down, feeling so peaceful. 4. Almost there, so relaxed. 3. Deeper and deeper. 2. Almost at the bottom. And 1. At the bottom of the stairs, feeling deeply relaxed and at peace. And in this deeply relaxed state, you are more attuned and more aware of your body's natural functions. One of these important functions is gut motility, the process that involves the rhythmic contractions of the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract. These contractions help move food through your digestive system, ensuring that nutrients are absorbed and waste is expelled. And so you can recognize that at times this motility has been disrupted, causing the movements to slow down or become uncoordinated. This disruption can allow bacteria to accumulate in your small intestine where they do not belong. This accumulation of bacteria is a part of your body's complex processes that sometimes can go awry. But now it is time to restore balance. And by focusing on the natural rhythms and movements of your gut, you can guide your body in correcting and normalizing these contractions, allowing your gut to return to its smooth, regular movements, efficiently moving food and waste along its path, and clearing out any unwanted bacteria. You are ready to bring your gut back to its perfect, balanced state, ensuring it functions optimally once again. And so I want you now to bring to mind and imagine a beautiful, clear river flowing gently through a lush green valley. This river represents the motility and the movement of your digestive system, moving smoothly, easily and effortlessly. See how the water flows, clear and pure, flowing at just the right speed and rhythm to carry away anything that does not belong, and supporting and nourishing the valley it runs through. As you watch the river flowing through this vibrant landscape, picture any obstructions or debris in the river's path being gently cleared away, just as your digestive system is clearing away any blockages. Notice how the river flows smoothly and continuously, all flowing in the right direction, ensuring that everything harmful is carried away, leaving only what is healthy and beneficial. Feel the gentle flow of this river, steady and unstoppable. And as you feel this gentle flow, it becomes a part of you, your inner river, as your gut motility is now normalizing, moving effortlessly and effectively. And as you watch that beautiful clear river flowing along, I want you to notice that there are leaves now falling into the river. And these leaves represent the bad bacteria in your gut. The bacteria that has been responsible for the discomfort and the gut symptoms that you've been experiencing. See these leaves being gently carried away by the current of the river, moving out of your small intestine and being transported to where they can be safely eliminated from your body. This river, your river, flows continuously, never stopping, ensuring that all the leaves, all of the bad bacteria are carried away. They cannot settle back because they are swept away effortlessly by the smooth, powerful flow of the river. As the river continues to flow, carrying away the bad bacteria, I want you to imagine the riverbank. This riverbank represents your intestinal lining. And see this riverbank becoming lush and green. The healthy plants growing along its banks symbolize the restoration of your gut flora and lining, all growing strong and vibrant. The whole valley is now thriving, filled with life, as a warm golden light shines down now. And this light, this healing energy nurtures and repairs the lining of your gut, making it strong and resilient. Feel this light, like the rays of the sun infusing your body with warmth and healing, helping every part of your digestive system to restore itself to perfect health, allowing for smooth, coordinated, and effortless digestion. And so you can picture new beneficial bacteria, like friendly little creatures, now populating your gut, establishing a balanced and healthy environment. See the valley flourishing before you as you remind yourself that every day your body knows how to heal itself and maintain perfect balance. And so moving ahead, you can start to notice more and more how you've been feeling better, and how all of those old symptoms have started to fade, allowing you to experience greater health and ease. And so as we near the end of this inner journey, I want you to take a nice, deep, comfortable breath in as you absorb all that you need to from this session. Good. And so, in a moment, I will count you back up from 1 to 5. With each number, you will feel yourself becoming more awake and alert, bringing back with you a sense of calm, healing, and balance. 1. Starting to calm back now. 2. Feeling more aware of your surroundings. 3. Becoming more alert. 4. Almost awake. And 5. Eyes open, fully awake, feeling refreshed and positive about your healing journey. Remember, you can return to this state of relaxation and healing visualization whenever you need. And if you enjoyed this experience, then I recommend downloading the Calm Gut app. With a big upgrade and a number of exciting new features added, the updated app will be available for download on the App Store in June 2024. Click on the link below to get started. And up next is the next hypnosis meditation in this SIBO healing series. I hope these sessions support your journey towards a calm and happy gut.